happy to see you finally found your lifetime partner. I'm wishing you guys a lifelong happy marriage, and to your wife, hopefully we get to meet you in person. I'm pretty sure you're as lovable as Eros is. Congrats!
So, Gloria, this is it. This is the day. So, sorry. First of all, sorry ko kayo at sukatan sa imong wedding. But, kebaw ka. Unsa ko kalipay, karong adlaw para nimo o para sa imong future na husband. So, muna akong message para nimo. So, warmest greetings and best wishes. This is the new chapter of your life. May the Lord continue to bless you as a newlywed couple. And to both of you, please put center of God in your relationship and just always love each other. Contented, loyal, honest, and understanding. May the Lord God bless you always in your family through ups and downs. Always fight for it, and just to show how deep is your love for each other. Congratulations! Pero yeah, you deserve to be happy forever. Nara ko diri permi. Nara ko permi ni mo always. So, kung yun ako, may history, kaya na ko, charot. Bye-bye. Love you, both of you.
Hi Eros and Kimi, congratulations on your wedding day. Wishing you both a lifetime filled with love, laughter, and endless happiness. I'm very happy to see you start this beautiful chapter together. Congratulations again, Eros and Kimi.
Hello, Kimi and Eros. Best wishes to the both of you. And I may not be there to witness the happiest day of your lives, but I am here 4,000 plus miles away, celebrating it with you guys virtually. To Eros, our ball of sunshine in Team Hopia, and our baby boy, I am so proud of you that you're finally getting married. And to Kami, you are very lucky to have such a genuine person as your husband. Again, congratulations to the both of you and wishing you guys a lifetime of love, laughter, and happiness.
Hello, Eros and Kay. Congratulations sa wedding. Remember, communication is the key for good times and bad times. And see you soon, guys. Kita-kita na tatanan hopya pag mga tag Cebu. Tipok-tipok ta. Bye.
Okay. Congratulations, Kimi and Bun. Sorry I can't be there at your wedding, but I wish you all the best and a happy life together.
Hello, Ban. Congratulations sa inyong kasal, sa inyong wedding ni Kimi. Sa kabaw, sa akong istorya nimo kay ikaw ang tao nga buotan kayo. Protektahin mong pamilya. Ang pingi si Kimi kay ikaw ang laki. Naara ko firme sa imo habot kung manihanglan ka. Always be strong, and I love you always, now and forever. Yeah. Ayaw pagbiyahin ng pamilya o ang pingi ang balay. Ha?
So, this is the request message. Pero wala ka message. I just want to say congratulations to the both of you. And that's all. Thank you. Pero nabit ako message gamay. Gamay rin siya. I just want to say thank you to the both of you. Especially Ate Kimi. You're the best sister ever. I'm so grateful to have you. And dili na ka sungugon nga wala kay bana kahit ang kasal na jud ka. And I hope that you will be happy, and that's all. I hope for the best to the both of you. And mara to. Naawa na ko. Jaga ko Rosa. Bye.
Hi Eros, kay May. Congratulations on your wedding day. And we're very happy to celebrate this special day with you. Although we are far from each other, but know that in heart, by heart, we are there celebrating this day with you. And Eros, kay May, I wish you both success, happy marriage, be loyal, and trust each other, and hopefully soon make your own little family. And just since naan naman ta sa kuan, adulting, I can see both of you being responsible. And last time when we visited, when we had our vacation back in the Philippines, I was very, very happy to meet Kay May, and I saw how she cared for you, Ban. Kuan ka na. Grateful kay ko nimo Kay May, kay dawat nimo si Banban, and gituring jud na mo siya as igsuon sa amo ang Team Hopya, and tanan na mo nga kanang kaagi before makita jud na mo unsa ang personality. And sometimes because of that personality ni Banban, yung pagka-caring and kanang thoughtful, generous, minsan na take advantage na siya. And hopefully nakita mo po na nga si Banban is happy with you. So hopefully lang na both of you will continue to be happy. And if ever na amoy mga misunderstandings or mga fights or arguments, talk it out. And if dili gud makaya, Kay May, you can always speak with us or discuss it with Tita, your new mom, your another mom. Kay always sa side sa imoa, you have to confront the mother of your habibi, your new husband. So dili siya kanang maayo nga, dili siya maayo, but kanang i-avoid lang nato nga direct ang magsulti sa atong mga frustration sa atong mother, kay ang mother na to normally bias gid na siya. So mas maayo nga ato ka mo confront sa mama ni Banban, para si tita nang bahala kay Banban, no? Ang mga inana nga mga butang ba, if nga maabot ang time nga mag-argue mo nga di man na makalikayan, or may mga misunderstandings. So if dili kaya nga idala og storya nga kamo lang duha, then try to speak with any of us, Team Hopya, or your close friends, or your best friends, or dito na, kay tita na. So, makita man sad namo Kay May na super happy si Ban nimo again. So, hopefully, soon, magkuan mo og, mulambo pa mo. I'm so happy for you guys, and really, really, really hope to see you guys soon as married couple. And Sa Manisha, uy.
Congratulations, bro. And yeah, congrats lang. And congrats to your wife also. Hope you have a happy future, both of you. I'm happy for you both. Take care always. Thank you.
Love you guys. I love you so much. Banban. I'm so happy for you. Again, congrats on your wedding day.
Congrats.
See you all soon. Ingat. Enjoy.
Bye-bye ko.